Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be learning how to make this beautiful gathered skirt. I made mine for 2 girls. You can also go ahead to use this method for adults. If this sounds like something you're interested in, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get on with the tutorial. So guys, to make this skirt, I made use of 2 yards of fabric and I made 2 skirts out of this. And the next you'll be needing is your gum stay, which is to add strength to the waistband, your ruler, your scissors, your measuring tape, and your chalk. So guys, I have this piece of fabric here folded in 4. The next thing that you want to go ahead to do is to add 3 inches to your waist measurement. Now this is for zipper allowance and also for the skirt allowance. After doing that, I went ahead to multiply mine by 2.5. You can go ahead to multiply it by 3 depending on how full you want your skirt to be. So guys, go ahead to subtract 1.5 inches from the full length of the skirt and then go ahead to take the skirt full length measurement. After that, I'll be adding 1 inches for folding allowance at the bottom and half an inch to join the upper part of the skirt to the band, so that in total you're adding 1.5 inches to the full length of the skirt subtracted from whatever you want the band length to be. I hope you understand. With all the explanation I've said, I've gone ahead to do mine and now I'm going to work on the band. So guys, I have this piece of fabric cut out. Now for the how long it is, you're just simply going to add 3 inches to the actual waist measurement you're working with, and then how wide it is. Remember I left 1.5 inches. I actually cut this out with 5 inches so I can have enough room to fold it in with my iron. So guys, after doing that, I'm just going to add my interface and iron it, like the shiny part of the interface to the wrong part of the fabric. Go ahead to iron it out. I've gone ahead to iron my fabric so it's going to be smooth. Now I'm going to go ahead to make my gather stitch at the waist region all around. I've gone ahead to make my gather stitch and this is what it looks like. Now you're going to have to take your time whilst doing this so that the thread does not cut, and if it does, you can just go ahead to restart all over again. This requires your patience. Now guys, as you are drawing it, you're just going to be measuring the skirt. Make sure that it's the same thing that you have on your waistband, and after doing that, you just go ahead to knot it at the both sides to avoid it losing. I also went ahead to sew on my gather stitch with a straight stitch to make sure that the gathers are evenly distributed all around the waist. This is what I have after ironing my interfacing to my band. Now what I want to go ahead to do is to fold in one side of the band. I'll go ahead to fold in one side of the band and iron straight. Then I'm going to fold the band in 2, and then I'm now going to fold the other side. Do make sure that you have 1.5 inch at the end of the day. Can you see how centralized the gathered pleats are? They are evenly distributed all through the skirts. This is the result I have after ironing my band, and you make sure to leave one side to be shorter than the other side, and that side that is shorter should be 1.5 inch, or if it's 2 inches you're working it should be 2 inches. Now that shorter part is going to be what will be stitching towards the front and the longer part towards the down. Now you just go ahead to just open the band up and place the skirt inside, just like you can see me doing. Place it inside. You can also go ahead to pin it so that as you are sewing it's going to be easier for you. Then you sew it all the way to the down. This is what I have after attaching my skirt, my band to the skirt. Can you see how beautiful and neat it is? This is very, very beautiful, neat and easy to work with. The next I'm going to do is to fold it in 2, just like you can see, and then I'm going to go ahead to mark out my actual waist measurement on the band and mark it out there, and I'm going to just measure out where I want my zip to stop at, close down the down area and fix in my zipper. At this point guys, I've gone ahead to hem the down of the skirt and also to weave the inside of the skirt for neatness. So guys, this is my zipper area and this is what looking like, and this is it for the skirt. Thank you. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and also comment. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.